Module 15.6, Day 2, Properties of Parallelograms. Content standards. Student will prove theorems about parallelograms. Language objectives. Student will explain to a partner why pictures of quadrilaterals are or are not parallelograms. Okay. Proving diagonal bisect each other. Theorem. If a quadrilateral is a parallelogram, then its diagonal bisect each other. So here is an example. Right, so here we have a parallelogram called A, B, C, and D, and we can draw our diagonal and call the intersection X. That means that BX is congruent to DX. And AX is congruent to CX. Right, okay, so let's go through our flowchart proof. Example 3, complete the flowchart. Prove the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So then the given is always from what is here, right? So we say that for a parallelogram, the definition of a parallelogram. Okay, so then that means that AB is parallel to DC, and AD is parallel to BC. And then said opposite sides of parallelograms are congruent. So then we can say that AB is congruent to DC and AD is congruent to CB. Right, and then next one said, let's go to here. We said alternate interior angles. So we can say that angle ADB is congruent to angle CBD, and angle ABD is congruent to angle CDB. So let's go here and say that, and go here. Right? Okay, so then we can say that triangle ADB is congruent to triangle CBD by angle side angle. Then we can say that segment AE is congruent to segment CE, and segment BE is congruent to segment DE. Right? Okay, so let's go through what we learned from a parallelogram to solve for the angle or the size. Right? So you can use the property of parallelogram to find unknown lengths or angle measures in a figure. So example 4, we're given that ABCD is a parallelogram, find each measurement. So then, in this parallelogram, we know that these two are congruent. Right, so we can say that 5x plus 19 is equal to 8. Oops, my mistake. Not 8, but 7x. So to solve for x, we're going to minus 5 from both sides. So then 19 equal to 2x. So solve first. So then 19 divided by 2. So x is 9.5. But then we're not solving for x, we're solving for AD. So then AD is 7x. So then we take 7 times 9.5. So then it's 66.5. Right, and then to solve for angle B, so let me go back here. So then 6y plus 5. So we said 6y plus 5 is 8y minus 17. So 8y minus 17. So to solve it, we're going to minus 6y minus 6y plus 17 plus 17. So that's reduced to 0. That's reduced to 0. So we have 22 equal to 2y. So y is 11. But we're solving for b. So the measurement for angle b, so it was 6y plus 5. So then 6 times 11 plus 5. So 66 plus 5. So it gives us 71 degree. Okay, so now it's your turn to solve for QR and PR. So we're given that PQRS is a parallelogram, find each measurement. So work this out in a minute. I'll give you the answers. Okay. Right, so that's the end of our 15.6 day 2 notes. Your assignment is to work on number 17 through 21, and you are to finish your HRW on 15.6, and also copy down 15. Well, we will not be doing 15.7, so we'll go on to the next module.